Today I'm going to show you how to create this scrolling text animation in Premiere Pro. Go over to your type tool and click on your preview screen, then type in the text that you want to use for this effect. Now if you go over to properties, you can modify things like the text font, color, and size, and even modify the alignment to be centered on your screen like this. Next we want to create multiple copies of our word, so click and highlight your entire word and right click, then select copy. Now click an area at the end of the last letter and hit enter to jump to the next line, then hold Ctrl and push V to paste your word. Continue doing this, hitting enter to jump to the next line and pasting until you have around 15 to 20 lines of your word. Now go back over to properties and decrease the value of leading until there's only a small space in between your words. Under effect controls, scroll down to opacity and click the rectangle mask, then adjust the mask so it only shows a single word in the center of your screen. Now under vector motion, click the stopwatch button next to position, then move your timeline slider ahead about 3 seconds. Decrease the vertical position value until you run through all your words and arrive at the last one, and make sure it's not clipping the word next to it. Highlight your 2 keyframes and right click, then select temporal interpolation ease in, then do it again but select ease out this time. Now expand position and move the blue dot on the right all the way to the left, then move the left blue dot to the left slightly like this.